So guys, we have our chicken breast here. As you can see, it's well seasoned. So you see the chicken breast with salt, black pepper, and chicken seasoning. We have 1 egg. We're going to boil this egg. While I was boiling my egg, it cracked, so we added another egg. So we'll boil 2 eggs just for safety. I'm going to be boiling my chicken, so I'm going to boil it to my water. I'm going to add my chicken breast and allow them to boil in about 10 to 15 minutes. So roughly around 10 to 15 minutes, you're going to allow them to boil. While that is boiling, I'm going to cover some scallion. Here we have it. Nice scallion. I'm going to add that to our chicken pot. So this would be our broth that we're going to add on our noodles later. We can flavor it any way you want it. Add cock soup, add more seasoning, give it a nice, chicken broth. I'm gonna add some thyme as well. Allow that to just simmer down a bit. Okay, time to reveal. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please remember to hit that like button, share and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.